In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Gmail. This is a quick and straightforward process that can greatly enhance your email writing by providing instant grammar and spelling suggestions right from within Gmail. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you can follow along easily. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage by typing in www.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on it to access your Google account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials, but if your account is already open, clicking Sign In will bring you straight to your account page. From there, click on the Gmail link at the top of the Google page, which will take you directly to your Gmail inbox. Now you're in familiar territory, focus on the top right corner again. There's a grid or waffle icon next to your account button. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu with various Google apps. Among those options you will find the Chrome Web Store. Click on it to proceed. The Chrome Web Store is a destination where you can find and add various extensions that enhance your browsing experience. Once inside the store, locate the search bar, which is typically at the top on the right side. Click into that search bar and type in Grammarly, then press enter. After searching, you'll see a list of extensions available for Grammarly. Look for the one titled Grammarly AI Writing and Grammar Checker app. Click on this option to go to the app's page. It's worth noting here that Grammarly is a widely used tool designed to help you with grammar, spelling, and even style in your writing. This will be a beneficial addition to your Gmail. Now you're almost there. Next, look for the button that says Add on the Grammarly app page within the web store. Clicking Add will start the installation process. The extension will be added to your browser, and you'll likely see a notification asking for permission to integrate with your Gmail. Confirm this, allowing Grammarly to effectively check your email drafts as you write. And that's it. Adding Grammarly to Gmail is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Enjoy cleaner, more precise emails that reflect your best writing. Be sure to explore the settings and features within Grammarly to customize it to suit your needs. I hope you find this integration useful, and as always, happy emailing.